In this video of Let's Talk Math, we're going to learn what are prime and composite numbers. So, first what we need to learn before we can learn that is we need to review what factors are. Now, factors are the numbers you can multiply by each other to get a certain number. So let's say we have this number 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. Now, 1 and 6 are both factors of 6, right? Now, for every number, they all have a number factor of 1 and itself. Now, another two factors could be 2 and times 3 equals 6. So, if we look at here, the factors of 6, right, are these numbers. So then that means 1, 2, 3, and 6 are all factors of 6. Now that we have reviewed what factors are, we can now learn what prime numbers are. Prime numbers are numbers when you have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So we could do this as 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Now, no other whole numbers times another whole number, right, would equal 2. So that means the only factors of 2 is 1 and the number 2. So since number 2 is that number, right, and 1, this means that this is a prime number. Next, we have our composite numbers. Composite numbers are when you have a number that has more than two factors, right? So like the number 6, right? We know this 1 times 6 equals 6. That's two factors there. And then 2 times 3 equals 6 too. So if we count the factors, 1, 6, 2, and 3, that's 4 factors. That means it has more than 1 and 6 has factors of 6, which makes this number 6 a composite number. Now, let's do a few examples. So we have 3. 1 times 3 equals 1 times 3 equals 3. And now these are the only whole numbers that are factors of 3. So that is two factors, and it's 1 and the number itself. So that means that since it only has two factors, right, that this is a prime number since it has no other factors than 1 and 3. Next we have is 14. Now 1 times 14 equals 14. Now since this is an even number, we know that 2 times something will equal 14 too, and that is 7. So that would equal 14. Now there are no other factors of 14, but if we count it, 1, 14, 2, and 7, we have factors that are not just 1 and 14, which means we have more than two factors, which means that this is a composite number. Then next we have is 7. 7, 1 times 7 equals 7. So that's two factors there. But other than 1 and 7, 7 has no other factors. So that means that this is a prime number. And then we have 23. Now 1 times 23 again equals 23. Now since there are no other factors of 23 other than 1 and 23, this would be considered a prime number. Now that we have solved this example, let's review what did we learn today. We learned prime numbers are numbers with only two factors, 1 and the number itself. composite numbers have more than 2 factors. That is all for this video, so please put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn and like this video. I'll also be posting more videos with numbers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my other videos out. Bye!